Think about all the earphones you've ever had. If you're like me, you've gone through a lot and it's frustrating. They're uncomfortable, they don't fit well, and they fall out of your ears. The reason is simple. Our ears are as unique as our fingerprints, and custom fit earphones are the solution. They're designed for you, so they fit perfectly every time. But there hasn't been a quick and affordable way to get them until now. Say hello to Revels, the world's first quick, custom-fit Bluetooth earphones. Guided by our app, you simply put the earphones in and let the gel-filled tips take the natural shape of your ears. By pressing the start button, you trigger the magic. The molding process activates, transforming the gel tips to their permanently hardened, customized shape. We've designed...
Wait, it's that easy?
Yes, it's that easy. We've designed Revels to fit you and your lifestyle. Our sports skins add an extra layer of protection and personality. But to truly deliver great earphones, the sound must be as perfect as the fit. And so we've partnered with Onkyo, pioneers in high-end audio technology. We're working with their team of acoustic engineers to deliver world-class audio and craft the ultimate listening experience. The custom fit provides enhanced passive noise isolation, allowing listeners to escape from their surroundings and enjoy every detail of their music at safer volumes. But for times when you don't want complete isolation, we've created the Revels adjustable soundscape. It's your very own volume control for the outside world.
This is Shai, a pilot, an industrial designer, and an inventor. He is a world-known expert in cool stuff that flies. 2 years ago, Shai was challenged by his friend to create a smartphone-controlled paper airplane. Thanks to 21,000 backers on Kickstarter, he made it happen. People all over the world are now controlling paper planes from their smartphones with PowerUp 3. Shai proudly came back to his friend and his friend said, "Wow, that is magical. But you can't put a live streaming camera on a paper airplane." Shai thought for a minute and said, "Challenge accepted." Now, after 2 years of testing and prototyping, meet Shai's new unfreaking believable invention. PowerUp FPV. The first ever paper airplane drone with a live streaming camera. Using state-of-the-art technology, PowerUp FPV lets you see what your plane sees. To put it in different words, you feel as if you are flying through the air, riding a paper airplane. Yes, PowerUp FPV makes your regular paper plane look like a kitty next to a lion, riding a T-Rex. Just take a piece of paper, fold it into a plane, and attach the module. Put your phone in the cardboard viewer, and you're ready to fly. The camera streams live video to an app on your very own smartphone sitting in the head-mounted goggles. To control your plane, just tilt your head lightly. And there's also a gamepad mode for when you feel like handheld control.
Eight years ago, we decided to explore the creation of a next-generation razor blade. The last major change to razor blades was over a half-century ago, when stainless steel replaced carbon steel. Since then, it's mainly been adding yet another blade to the razor every decade or so. 2 billion blades go into landfills every year, so our goal was to create something that was much sharper than steel, but more importantly, lasted much, much longer. This is Zafiro, the world's first sapphire blade razor. We've developed pure white sapphire blades with an edge about 80 atoms at the tip, or roughly 5,000 times thinner than the width of a human hair. Sapphire is also much harder than steel, which means the blades last much longer, currently up to a year, with the potential to last several times that long. We're huge fans of design, so it was really important to us not to build the kind of cheap neon or fake chrome handles you see in most bathrooms today. Ideally, we wanted to build something that might be passed down through generations, like a well-made watch. The project got off to a very rough start. We spent more than a year and a half going in entirely the wrong direction, trying to make blades out of an advanced ceramic called zirconia, which amongst other things has been used in very expensive sushi knives. Unfortunately for us, and for my face as a tester, you can't get zirconia sharp enough to make a great razor blade. We went back to the drawing board, and after a couple of months talking to experts around the world, decided to try sapphire. Sapphire is in many ways the perfect material for razor blades because it can be made exceptionally sharp, and it's second only to diamond in terms of hardness, so blades stay sharp.
This is a new era of wearable cameras. Introducing Mokacam. This is Robbie. A new day, he gets dressed, starts a new adventure. Every day is different. Old friends say goodbye, and he meets new friends. Every moment that makes his life great, he wants to record. With Mokacam, the world's smallest 4K camera with a built-in magnet, there's no need to bring a selfie stick. No need to learn about complicated camera settings. At the push of a button, Robbie could record his life in every scenario. When the selfie needs no hands involved, only God knows how creative we can be. The rotatable screen module allows you to find the best filming angle. And here's one of many awesome innovations we've added to Mokacam. We've allowed the built-in battery of the screen to provide power to the camera as well, which doubles the battery life. In case even this doesn't provide enough battery life, Mokacam has spare batteries that simply snap on magnetically in 1 second to extend your battery life to 4 hours for video filming. Connect to Mokacam using Wi-Fi to control the camera and review the video directly. Mokacam also synchronizes your photos and videos and lets you share them instantly. Mokacam can also be used as a security camera. Set it to motion detector mode, put it anywhere you want, and it will last for 8 hours without a power supply. Take Mokacam with you on your life adventure. Record that exciting football match, that great moment with your friends, that action-packed view from the front of your bike, or even underwater faces at that swimming pool party.
My name is Laurent Schnauer, I'm co-founder of Fleye. I'm really passionate about new technologies and I naturally fell in love with drones when I first met them a few years ago. I'm convinced that in the future we'll have flying robots around us helping us in our daily lives. But before that we must overcome a few challenges, in particular with respect to safety and usability. So what we did at Fleye is to go back to the drawing board and invent the flying robot of the future. It had to be safe, robust and with a great user experience. We've been hacking around in my attic for about a year, building prototypes out of balsa wood and DIY electronics. And after many trials, Fleye eventually stayed in the air and proved to us that it was all possible.
This is Fluxo, the world's first lamp where you can move the light in any direction to place it where you really need it. Fluxo is much more than just a pendant lamp. With 300 powerful LEDs, it can illuminate any part of your room in any brightness you want. And its colored uplight can create the perfect mood for any situation. With Fluxo, you get unlimited lighting possibilities with just one lamp by simply painting your light in the desired direction. The more light you paint, the brighter it gets. And you don't have to worry about the position of your phone as the app rotates with your movements. The light painted on your phone is always aligned with your lamp. Simply paint and enjoy. you can save your personalized light scenes and switch between them with a simple swipe. Fluxo uses different colored LEDs, so you can choose between warm and cool whites, warm light to relax, cool lights for tasks such as reading, because it helps you concentrate. When you leave the room, Fluxo turns itself off to save your money and the environment. When you enter the room, Fluxo uses presence detection and smart algorithms to predict which light scene is best suited.